Oh, look. Oh, cobra's attempts at world global warming are working. Haha. Nothing can fail us now. Haha. Look at this. Look at that's a building. That's a building. Or I think I'm just going to sit here. Or at least I think I'm going to sit here. I'm just going to sit here. Yeah. I'm just going to sit here and nothing bad can ever happen to me. What the hell? Ah! What? What? What the hell? Baroness, you get out of the fucking freezer! God damn it! I was at the stage of your ass, what the hell? I swear, Baroness, what the fuck were you thinking? I don't know, Commander. Seriously. At the fucking freezer! God, you're dumb. That's why I send Destro to do this kind of stuff. I'm sorry, Commander. Are you suicidal or something? You know that's what the G.I. Joes want.
You're the ringleader. We're going to find this and go get everything. We're going to stay back in the school. You understand that? We're going to stay back in the school. You don't want me to, you know what I mean?
I'm sorry, Commander. Ah, you wuss. I'm going to kill you one day. What? Nothing, Commander. You bitch. I heard that.